Hi and welcome to Piano School Publishing online video tutorials. So we've just learnt about the anacrusis and the first and second endings, and here is On Top of Old Smoky, which is on page 48 and 49 of the preliminary book, and this is where we're going to use the anacrusis and the first and second endings. This song is not a difficult song, it's relatively easy, but there's a lot of new things to learn in here. So the first is the anacrusis. So if we have a look here, I've written in the counting. So it starts on 3, and then so the song will start 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So when you're putting it with the backing, make sure you write in all the counting there. And what else? All right. So we've also got some dynamics here to consider. So it starts off soft and loud, stays loud. This comes back to soft and then loud, and then all the way through here, and then it goes to soft again and then up to loud. So as we're moving up to the high notes, it's getting louder. All right, with our first and second ending, we come through here all the way and down to here, and then we get to this first ending and the repeat bar there. That sends us back to the opposing repeat bar. This is different from the example we saw on the previous page because there was no opposing bar. So here's back to the opposing repeat bar. We play this all again, but this second time we skip number 1 and we go straight to number 2. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, jump over 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now there's something else we have to learn in here, and they're called ties. So if you have a look on page 48, new tie. So a tie is a curved line that joins 2 or more notes of the same pitch. You play the first note and you hold for the value of the second note. You can see examples below and in On Top of Old Smoky. So there's the example. So we've got a 4-count note and a 2-count note and then a 2-count rest. So what we would do is we hit that note and we'd say E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. All right, and now we hold that. So altogether that note's getting 6 counts. So E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest 2. That's how we do it with the point, play and say. Or if we were just counting it, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a go at playing On Top of Old Smoky with point, play and say. This is a pretty long song as well. So the songs are getting a little bit harder and a little bit longer. Okay, ready? So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. C, C, E, G, C, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, 1, 2, A, F, G, A, G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, C, C, E, G, G, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, 1, 2, E, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, C, C, E, G, C, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, 1, 2, A, F, G, A, G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, C, C, E, G, G, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, 1, 2, E, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Okay, now there's no tie over to here, but it's implied because of this tie here that this C is tied to that note over there. Okay, right, so there's a couple of other things that we need to consider with this piece as well. Not terribly challenging, but we do have to be aware of them. We start off on middle C and we go all the way through up to high C. So the fingering is really important because we start off with our thumb up here, and then as we go up, the second finger goes on E, third finger goes on G, so that our 5th finger can stretch up to the high C. Once we're there, our fingers form into the 5-finger position, and then our thumb stretches down and we're back to the C 5-finger position. So it's just really that first bar getting up to the high C, and then your 5 fingers are all sitting up on F, G, A, B, C. And then when we come back down to, where is it? Down here. This last section, we're moving back into the other C position. All right. So what you need to do, as usual, is learn that with point, play and say. Hands separately. The chords are pretty easy. what you could do to jazz this piece up is, rather than play just the chords, you could do this waltz. You could go like so. Okay. All right, go and enjoy On Top of Old Smoky.